Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, you click on account down here, just click on it. So when you click on account, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to turn on the order transfer service, clicking this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here the order transfer service disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I give it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.